Good morning, students. 10th standard physical education. Students, today we will start first chapter number 5th, sports training. So, what is the meaning of sports training, importance of sports training, and objectives and principles of sports training? So, first of all, introduction is there. Today, games and sports are a specialized field. It is required a specific and scientific and a systematical type of the training to improve the performance of the player. The program of training passes is known as a sports training. Sports training is a branch of science with help to increase the sports performance. There are the various types of methods to improve the performance by developing fitness a proper way. Sports trainings performs improve physical fitness components along with health and wellness. It guides us the correct method to perform physical activities. Now, meaning of sports training. So, students understand what is the meaning of the sports training. Question will come. Meaning of the what is the meaning of sports training? Then the word training means the give practical and theoretical knowledge, but in physical education this word has a very deep meaning. Training methods are of various ways or means to enhance sports performance. Now, training method consists of training period which split into the training sessions, and training sessions are further divided into training schedules. In training methods, the workout or load is performed in sessions which are made up various schedules. Training methods are further performed and quarterly, half yearly, annually, and biannually result based process. It is the performed in progressive way through months workout plan, weeks workout plan, days workout plans. It has three parts: preparative parts, competition parts, and transitional parts, or we can say off season. So preparative parts, this part is player achieved the physical fitness and skill efficiency for the competition. It is practiced in the three phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Competition period, in this period player participate for competition and aim to achieve the top performance in competition. Intently the practice competitions or practice methods matches are played where mistakes are corrected later. Actual matches are participate where motivation and feedbacks are provided for peak performance of players. Third is transition period of session. In this relaxation period after competition, in this period player gets recovery from the competition stress, maintain physical ability for next competition mentality, recreation activities, and performs afterwards. Similar types of the activities are played along with recreation. Now, importance of sports training. What is the importance of sports training? So there are some points are there: build up strength and endurance, improved skill level, build confidence, give knowledge, increase blood circulation, improve flexibility and agility, improve muscle tone, faster removal of waste product, faster recovery, improve immunity, builds motivations, develop the specific fitness component, less injury, improves diets, improve concentration. Next, third step is the principles of sports training. So what are the principles of sports training? Principles of individuality, principles of the specificity, principles of progress, principles of overload, principles of the adaptation, principles of the recovery, principles of the recovery, and principles of the reliability, principles of the variation, principles of the intensity, principles of the continuity, active participation, periodization, principles of the regularity, and principles of the warming up. So students, today we have to be read the chapter and once again you have to read chapter and you have to be try out the solve the question answer. We in next video we will discuss about the question answers. Thank you and have a nice day.